Hello everyone, it's Cleofe here and welcome to Crafting Shed. For today's video, it's not a tutorial, but I would like to talk about this hat. So I crocheted this quickly because when I went to the pool last time, I didn't have a hat. And I realized that it was so hot that I thought of crocheting one, and this is what I came up with. And I crocheted this quickly. I wasn't able to record a video tutorial. So what I did is I wrote down the pattern. So there is a written pattern for this one, and the written pattern is in the description below. So this is very simple, just half double crochets. And I thought that the written pattern will be enough without the video tutorial. But I would like to talk more about this just to explain some more. So I got this pattern from Michaels. This is their flyer. This is free from their store. And I saw this pattern and it's using the Caron Coconut Cakes yarn. And I still have leftovers from my last project using this yarn. So I do have leftovers for this yarn. That's why I decided I'll make this bucket hat. I already have this one lying when I took this one when I bought the yarn because I thought it was really nice. So when I have to crochet quickly, then I just use this pattern because it's already using the same yarn, and it's a really simple pattern. That's why I crocheted using this pattern. But then when I started the crown here, when I crocheted up to the crown, it was really small for me, and I didn't like that. It was too small. It doesn't really sit on my head. I have to like pull it. So what I decided, I adjusted it. Adjusted the crown, making it bigger. That's why my written pattern is an adjustment for the Michaels pattern right here. So this is bigger, the crown is bigger right here. And then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rounds. So after the 10th round, next round is a half double crochet also, but back loop only, and it creates that edge right here, separating the crown from the side panel right here. So so after the 11th or the 10th, what is it? 10th? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. Starting round 11 is the side panel right here. And then when you get that width right here for your head, to cover your head, start crocheting for the brim. And then when you start crocheting for the brim, the round would be front loop only. So the front loop would create that would make the brim go up, and then increase the rounds also so that the brim would flare up and then create that shade. So this is very simple. So I don't have enough of this pink yarn. I do have the cookies and cream yarn. So that's why I made that combination, because I don't have enough of this. But you can crochet this in one color, or you can crochet this in this color combination. This is a nice color combination too. The crown is white, and then they have the pink like the Tutti Frutti, like this one. And then this one is teal, I think. So this one is sugar teal. So this color combination is also nice. So I think you can download this pattern online in their website, at Michaels' website. So the reason why I bring up this one is if you have a child, I think this pattern will be good for a child. So if you need to crochet for a child, I would recommend to use this pattern. And then if you want the adult size, this one is an adult size. And I like the fitting of this one. It's not tight and it's not loose either. And I like this cotton I like this yarn because it's cotton, so it's not that hot during the summer. So that's it, everyone. Thank you for watching. And again, the written pattern for this one is in the description below. So thank you very much for watching this video. Stay cool and have a nice rest of the summer. Please subscribe.